Hey, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Want to link your Binance account to Trust Wallet in just 2 minutes? I've got you covered. Let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible. First, open up your Trust Wallet app. If you haven't downloaded it yet, head over to your App Store and get it installed. It's available for both iOS and Android. Once you have the app open, tap on the Receive button. This will show you your wallet address for the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Copy this address. Simple, right? Next, head over to your Binance account and log in. If you don't have a Binance account, you'll need to create one and complete the verification process. Navigate to the Withdraw section and select the same cryptocurrency you just copied the address for. This step is crucial to ensure the funds go to the right place. Now paste that Trust Wallet address into the recipient field. Double-check to make sure the address is correct. Absolutely make sure you choose the correct network here. Different cryptocurrencies can operate on multiple networks, and choosing the wrong one can result in lost funds. You don't want to lose your funds because of a simple mistake. Always verify the network and address before proceeding. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Make sure you have enough balance in your Binance account to cover the transfer and any associated fees. Double-check all your details, including the amount, address, and network. When you're ready, confirm the withdrawal. This step is irreversible, so caution is key. Binance will process your transaction, and in no time your funds will appear in your Trust Wallet. Easy, right? The processing time can vary, so be patient. Just to recap, open Trust Wallet, copy your address, log into Binance, paste the address, choose the network, enter the amount, and confirm. And boom, you're done. It's that straightforward. Remember, always double-check those addresses and network selections. A small mistake can lead to significant losses. A little caution goes a long way in the crypto world. Always stay vigilant and double-check every step. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more quick crypto tips.